I looked into the Selerb NAD supplement, and honestly, it feels like one of those wellness products that looks polished on the outside but doesn't offer much solid information underneath. NAD supplements are already a trendy category, and while NAD itself is backed by real science, the effectiveness depends heavily on dosage, purity, and the form used. Selerb doesn't clearly explain any of that. The website mentions general benefits like energy support, anti-aging, and cellular rejuvenation, but these are the same broad claims used by dozens of generic supplement brands. They don't specify how much actual NAD plus or precursor is in each serving, nor do they show third-party lab testing. That lack of transparency is a pretty big red flag if you're shopping for quality. When I checked for real customer experiences, there were barely any reviews. No Trustpilot presence, no Amazon listing, and no verified buyers giving detailed feedback. Most of the reviews on their own site seem copy-pasted and not very trustworthy. The branding and store layout also resemble those mass-produced supplement shops that appear suddenly and disappear just as fast. It doesn't look dangerous, but it also doesn't give any strong reason to trust it. Overall, it seems more hype than substance. If you're serious about NAD support, there are far more established and transparent brands out there.